Realme 14 Pro Plus versus Motorola Edge 50 Neo. Display, display type, display size, display resolution, display protection, HD 10 plus support, display brightness, refresh rate, performance, chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, RAM memory, RAM type, design and build, height, width, thickness, weight, build material, waterproof, camera, Realme 14 Pro Plus camera, Motorola Edge 50 Neo camera, back camera and video recording, front camera and video recording, storage, internal storage, storage type, memory card slot, USB OTG support, battery, battery capacity, fast charger, wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, connectivity, Bluetooth, NFC, USB OTG support, Wi-Fi, fingerprint sensor, sound, dual stereo speakers, हेडफोन जैक, एंड लास्ट में दोनों फ़ोन का प्राइस।